From the finishing module, you know that stain will highlight any scratches that remain on a surface. It's pretty common that you may miss a scratch while sanding, but then notice it after applying stain. So what do? Just accept mediocrity? Do you sand the whole surface back down? Neither of these is a good option. No, you can do what's called wet sanding. To do so, you wet some 120 grit sandpaper with your stain. Then you sand out the scratches, but also then blend it into the surrounding area.